Okay, let's create another hat, which is what we call Latex Falcon. We need to inflate 3 balloons that are fully inflated like this. Two same colors, one different color, and inflate another balloon, the shorter one, with 4-inch allowance at the end, just like this, orange. Now let's put all these two together, these two green balloons together, tie them up like this, and create a loop like this. And just do the same thing on the other side. It should be equal loop, so that it will look proportion while doing this kind of hat. So we have 2 loops here. Now in this next step, you need to create 4-inch loop here, 4 or 5. For me, I think this is 5-inch loop. But before we create a 5-inch loop, just put it around this orange balloon here. Okay, this one. Now wrap it around, don't forget that, just like that. Now just do the same thing here, over here, wrap it around, and twist this, and you end up like this. Okay, you need to, of course, measure the size of your head for this hat. I think it's enough. Okay, now we're not done. Now create a V figure here using this red balloon. Okay, and of course you need to fold this equally in half like this. It should be equal. Put it here. Just like that. Now it is simply like this. Now put this end part upward. Oh, sorry. Put this end part like this, upward. And now make a poodle tail here, another poodle tail. Okay. So we have a latex falcon, instant latex falcon hat.